guys, so we're on our way to London, and that's my brother. Since up to now, just looking. Just wondering. Look at yeah, so my face is already that's so yeah, we're going to London. Hi guys, so I just woke up and it's Monday. So yesterday I traveled to London. At the moment I'm in my uncle's house. My voice is so low because like my uncle's house, I don't know what to make noise. Yeah. So yeah, so I'm just going to get ready and have breakfast and get ready to enjoy the day, which is today, because today is the 26th and today is my brother's birthday. So at this point, guys, we were on our way to Bird Eye View in London. You see it in a second. I was just showing you like our way going there. Yes guys, so guys, I actually advise that you don't stop watching this video because it actually dropped a lot of content, so just hope you enjoy it. So I pour a little voodoo on top of your body. I love the things that you do. I am waiting at the hotel lobby. Come and do a little voodoo on top my body. And all the things that I know, I am learned cause I see you and I. Open and close, spread it and pose. Touch her 10 toes, make her feel offload. Fire down, make her offload. Na 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 na. She say I bored. Love is the wickedest drug, the wickedest feel with the wickedest touch, the wickedest wave with the wickedest surf. Na 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 na. I wanna come to her yard. Man, then I come pluck the flower. She curving everybody cause she know she want the wickedest love. Addicted to eat like a crack. Whips and shakes don't break her bones. I can tell she like it when she curl her toes. Say yeah boy, keep going on and on. There's no safe word tonight. So I pour a little voodoo on top your body. I love the things that you do. I am waiting at the hotel lobby. Come and do a little voodoo on top my body. And all the things that I know, I am learned cause I see you and I did. Best I ever been. Best I ever been. Shabba. Giovanni there, so. It be like say you cast a spell on me. Nobody ever free come intervene. Money remain 1K for my pocket. I still no mind to track with no regrets. No, but you should let me know. What is it you want from me? What is it you want from me? Can you let me know? What is it you want from me? What is it you want from me? Yeah, you got me stuck on the green, if the green says go. I'm stuck in between what is real and what I know. I'm stuck in between all the highs and the lows. Apparently I'm only gonna rip what I sow. You probably are gonna be the end of me. When I think about all these damn memories, you see these whole
rules are nothing to me but fam tools. Your love is all I need, I swear you're my cruise. Won't stop till they think of the things I do. All these people I did hurt while I drink the booze. Who was God, man? I think I lost my faith. I'm a star and I guess I'm on my 8th. And the shit that I search for, damn, I should pray more. But this liquor shows the way, Lord. Every sip takes the weight off, debt feels paid off. Liquor surely is the way, bro. Yeah.
Give me a time, a place, I deal it. I go show up, I know go daily. But whatever you want, have it your way. Whatever you want, have it your way. Money go come, I go pay my dues. Spain that I read, we don't make the news. But whatever you want, have it your way. Whatever you want, have it your way. Let me know, let me know. What is it you want from me? What is it you want from me? Can you let me know, let me know? What is it you want from me? 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 Yeah. Let me know, let me know. What is it you want from me? What is it you want from me? Mr. Lover,
Ayo,
Mr. Lover,
Giovanni there, so.
Shabba.
Ayo, Daima. Spark up a blunt with a lighter. Boom. Cause you know that I be lover, no be fighter. Kick game sick like she from China. You are finer, nobody barter. See the girl them a hate cause you harder. The way you roll in your booty like a wrestler. Detective in the sheets undercover. Love.
So I pour a little voodoo on top your body. I love the things like you do. I am waiting at the hotel lobby. Come and do a little voodoo on top my body. And all the things that I know, I am learned cause I see you and I. Open and close, spread it and pose. Touch your 10 toes, make I feel offload. Fire down, make I offload. Na 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 na. She say I bored. Love is the wickedest drug, the wickedest feel with the wickedest touch, the wickedest wave with the wickedest surf. Na 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 na. I wanna come to her yard. Man, them fia come pluck the flower. She curving everybody cause she know she want the wickedest love. Addicted to eat like a crack. Whips and chains don't break her bones. I can tell she like it when she curl her toes. Say that boy, keep going on and on. There's no safe word tonight. So I pour a little voodoo on top your body. I love the things that you do. I am waiting at the hotel lobby. Come and do a little voodoo on top my body. And all the things that I know, I am learned cause I see you and I did. Mr. Lover Man, Mr. Lover Man. Shabba. Mr. Lover Man.
Ayo,
Mr. Lover Man.
Giovanni there, so.
Shabba.
Ayo, Daima. Spark up a blunt with a lighter. Boom. Cause you know that I be lover, no be fighter. Kick game sick like she from China. You are finer, nobody barter. See the girl them a hate cause you harder. The way you roll in your booty like a wrestler. Detective in the sheets undercover. Love.
So I pour a little voodoo on top your body. I love the things like you do. I am waiting at the hotel lobby. Come and do a little voodoo on top my body. And all the things that I know, I am learned cause I see you and I. Open and close, spread it and pose. Touch your 10 toes, make I feel offload. Fire down, make I offload. Na 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 na. She say you're bored. Love is the wickedest drug, the wickedest feel with the wickedest touch, the wickedest wave with the wickedest surf. Na 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 na. I wanna come to her yard. Man, them fear come pluck the flower. She curving everybody cause she know she want the wickedest love. Addicted to eat like a crack. Whips and chains don't break her bones. I can tell she like it when she curl her toes. Say, yeah boy, keep going on and on. There's no safe word tonight. So I pour a little voodoo, voodoo top your body. I love the things that you do. I am waiting at the hotel lobby. Come and do a little voodoo, voodoo top my body. And all the things that I know, I learned cause I see you and I did. Best I ever been, best I ever been. Shut up.
Going on. Big Ben in the distance, and on the far side where the flag is, that's the Victorian Tower. People often ask me about this building that looks like a castle. That's the Horse Guards Hotel. It used to be a government building. Cathedral. So we're heading in that direction. And then this white stone building here on the right, this is Somerset House. It used to be the Admiralty, so the headquarters of the Royal Navy. Now it's used as an event space, and the Courtyard Gallery is here as well, and the far side of all of the London theatres. And many restaurants that are close to theatres do early pre-theatre set menus that are very good value, sometimes only £15 for 2 courses. Don't mind having an early dinner, hotels and Diana Hospitals, and this is where the first Amber Heard and Johnny Depp trial took place in London. And of course Johnny Depp lost here. It's gorgeous. In the daytime you can go into the Royal Court of Justice and have a walk around. It's massive. There are 88 law courts. Now here is the Temple Bar Memorial. This is the boundary between the City of Westminster and the City of London. You will always see a dragon or two guarding every entrance to the City of London. There's so many lovely old buildings down here. Some are very old. This one on the right, painted with the black around the wood. That one was built in 1628. This is a 500-year-old pub. Cock Tavern. And I want to show you the oldest statue in London. Here on the left, look in the corner after the church. There's a statue here of Queen Elizabeth I. This statue was made in 1586. Unusually, that statue was made in her lifetime. Normally, statues were made my favour, I need it or not. Published 500 years ago, but all the national newspapers moved out in the late 1980s. There are a few small coffees. It wouldn't be something that we would particularly enjoy drinking today, and it was quite weak, but you boil the water in the process of brewing beer, so that's why it was safe. Because the London sewer system didn't open until 1863. It's only since then that people have had access to clean water. Before then, London most likely to kill you off. Cholera designed it. He's the only architect who's ever designed a cathedral who's lived to see it completed. He lived till he was 91. So yeah, and he had dementia, and apparently he would sit on the steps of St. Paul's and ramble about it, and he'd be like, "This is my masterpiece," and people say, "Who's that crazy old man?" and it was Christopher Wren. Inside the cathedral are some beautiful and grand tombs belonging to Lord Nell Flagstone on his grave. And there's an inscription on it in Latin, and the translation of it says, "Reader, if you seek a monument to me, look around you." We just passed the statue of Queen Anne, and she was our monarch when that station was opened in 1711. St Paul's is 365 feet high. Now for those of you who want a really nice picture, now we're moving a bit forward. In a minute, look back, and you'll be able to get a nice photo. If you guys just can't want it up for a minute, that's fine, but you can really see from here. The Bank of England. I've got a family connection with the Bank of England. I don't share it on every tour. But can you see the pillars on the next level? See the pointy bit? See the statue of the woman? My grandmother modelled that frieze in 1934. My dad's mum and her sisters were famous artist models. That's only a little one of her there. If you happen to go into not to be confused with Tower Bridge, this is London Bridge. Now look to your left. Ta-da! There it is. Arguably the most beautiful bridge in the world. The Pride of London. Our gorgeous Tower Bridge. You can never get bored of Tower Bridge. I've seen it thousands of times, and I still love it. Now we're on London Bridge. Shall we have a sing-song? And if you wanted to, you could visit Borough Market, but it's only open in the daytime. Borough Market is the foodie market of London. It's just where the Iron Railway Bridge is, just immediately underneath it to the right next to Southwark Cathedral. So this is Southwark. When the Romans went here, they considered sites in advance. Some days you can open 5 times, one day Sunday, one today. It only will open if it needs to allow a ship to go to the river. You'll get some very nice photos. If you want to stand up here on the land, so you can get some nice pictures. Tower Bridge was originally painted brown, and then in 1977 the Queen was asked to also take some colour. Experience in the daytime, there's an elevator that takes you up to the walkway across, and they will explain better than me about this amazing engineering. Isn't London absolutely gorgeous at night? Did you plan to the night tours? Yes. Memorials to merchants that passed away in the First World War. Sometimes you can, when the buses look back to the left, the Tower Bridge behind the Tower of London, the old nose. It's lifetime. The Tower of London only fortress they can use once, 1381. Nice. Just ahead of us here is JP Morgan. All this construction work here, they're building us a new sewer for London. Not very glamorous, but very necessary. Yeah. Because this is the Victorian embankment that we're on here, and underneath here is the London Underground and the Victorian sewer system. Erected here in the year 2000, and it was called the Millennium Wheel there. And it was only planned to be here for 3 years, but it is still London's most popular tourist attraction. But they haven't finished work on the bell, so it's not chiming at the moment. It normally goes do 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 do. That's the first symphony of Handel's Messiah. Here are the Houses of Parliament, which is the Palace of Westminster, and I want to show you where the Queen's body was laid in state. If you look to the left, you'll see a window that looks like a church. That's Westminster Hall. It was built in 1099, and that is one of the most... This is Waterloo Place, so it comes Lower Regent Street and then leads us up to British Circus. That's the street, isn't it? They're gorgeous as we go up the road. They're nice and quiet as well. We're just going to go around them. I don't really just talk about things if it's not good to see it. Yeah, London is very easily visited. See the statue of Eros here on the right from 1893. So up there to the left, that's Regent Street. Walked up there for 7 or 8 minutes to come to Oxford Circus in Oxford Street. That one straight ahead here, that's Shaftesbury Avenue. You've got Chinatown to the right, Soho to the left. That's that. And then straight ahead.
Ayo, Giovanni there, so. Ayo, Daima, spark up a blunt with a lighter. Boom, cause you know that.